So we're looking at two not obscure, odd commands in Pandas, melt and stack. We looked at melt, now we're going to look at stack. And stack is going to do some odd stuff too. So we have our sales pivot data, just as always, and we're going to run that. You can see there's our sales pivot data that we brought in as a data frame. We then do a stack, and watch what happens. We take each row and convert it into a column of all the columns. Each row gets turned into a single column. So we have an ID number and then all just a single column of data, which is all the stack. And I just did the first 10 rows. We just did the head. But if we do the whole thing, you can see the whole thing is there. There's the ellipsis there showing it, and there are 864 records. So we've gone from 95 records down to 864 records. Okay. Now notice that the stacked is an object. We've gone from the data frame, and we stack the data frame, we go to a stacked object. Of course, since it's Pandas, we can convert that back into our data frame. So we have a data frame, we change it to a stacked object, and then we change that stacked object back into a data frame. Now I renamed it so it's a different name. It's green stack rather than green, but it is the exact same data. It's a data frame. All right, let's look. It gets crazier. All right. So we have our sales data, our sales pivot data, same as always. We go through, we do our stack, we get our 864 records. It is now an object. It is now a data frame. We've converted it back into a data frame, and we're like, yeah, okay, I'm done working with like that. I can unstack it and go back to the way I came from. So you can take your data frame, stack it, make a stack object, convert it back to a data frame, and then unstack it. And it's back to our wonderful unstacked data. Yay! This, again, can be useful occasionally, but it is something you need to know in case something comes up and you might need to be interested in needing to do something odd like this.